Hello everyone, it's SpawnPoint and welcome back to another video. And today we're unboxing the new official covers for the PlayStation 5. We've got the Midnight Black and the Cosmic Red, which both launched this week on the PlayStation's website. Now if you follow me for a while, you'll know that I've been using the dbrand dark plates for the last year, but I'm really looking forward to swapping them out for the official Sony ones. So we'll get these unboxed and we'll take a closer look at the covers, then I'll show you how easy it is to fit them by removing the old ones first, and I'll even compare them to the dbrand plates that I have to show you what the main differences are. Well, we've all seen what it looks like in black with all of those third-party plates that are available, so let's start with the Cosmic Red. The box and the packaging is pretty basic. It's got a simple sleeve with a white box inside. This is pretty similar to the controllers for the PlayStation 5. Oh wow, this looks awesome. This colour really pops and actually feels quite nice as well. I bet this will look awesome when it's fitted in a minute. But just like with the Cosmic Red controller, it definitely has a more dark pink and almost magenta red, rather than a solid red, but it still looks nice. So this is the front panel, and this has got the PlayStation logo in the top corner. And then on the inside, we've got the Sony logo, which you can still see when fitted. When it comes to fitting the plates, it's really easy. Now it does actually come with some instructions in the box, but to be honest, it's pretty simple. Just pull the top corner here and pull down at the same time. Just make sure you're sliding the plates down instead of up, and they will pop right off. And then fitting the new ones is just the opposite. So you place them on the side and you push up and in, and they will click into place. If you hear that clicking sound, you know you've done it right. Oh wow, so now these are actually fitted. These look so nice. I mean, it's probably not the colour that I'm going to keep on my PS5, but I can really appreciate just how good this looks. This red is such a nice contrast against the black centerpiece, and the PlayStation cutout on the side really stands out here. But let me just grab the Cosmic Red controller and we'll put that next to it. And this shows you just how good they look together as well. But what do you think? Is this the colour that you would go for, or are you holding out for the black or a different colour? Right, okay, so that was the Cosmic Red, but let's have a look at the Midnight Black cover next. Now, we've seen loads of third-party covers or plates over the last year, but this is definitely the one that I've been waiting for. Okay, let's get this opened up. And first impressions, this is a lot nicer than I was expecting. So we've already got the Midnight Black controller, but I've always felt it's got a really dark blue shade to it, which meant I was a little bit worried that the plates would be the same. But nope, this is definitely a matte black cover. I love the PlayStation cutout on the side, and again the Sony logo on the inside. Okay, let's get this fitted. So same as before, we need to pull out and down at the same time to remove the faceplate. Then once we've got the new plate, we just need to push and slide up to fit it. Actually, hold on. While we're here, let's have a look at what it looks like with one black and one red plate fitted. If you can't decide which one to go for, maybe this is the answer, a nice two-tone. But anyway, here's how it looks like with both of the black covers fitted. Yep, this is definitely the one. This is what I've been waiting for since day one. The fact it now has the proper PlayStation logo cut out on the side is just perfect. I also think the all black look is clean and pretty stealthy looking. Not that there's anything wrong with the white plates, but I just prefer the black ones. I actually reckon this is probably the colour that most people will go for if they want a new look. So as I mentioned, I have been using the black plates in my setup for the last year, so this isn't new to me, but I still think this definitely looks awesome. If we grab the controller too to see what it looks like together, so this is the Midnight Black DualSense. Okay, yep, this is nice, this really finishes off the whole setup. Now you might be wondering how the official Sony plates compare to the dbrand plates that I've already got. Well, I've got both sets here, so I've got the original plates that dbrand launched last year and the second version that they released last month. The packaging that dbrand send their plates in is actually very impressive. I mean, if you want a nice package to open and something that feels more premium than it is, this is definitely it. But the plates themselves obviously lack the detail of the official Sony plates. Things like the PlayStation icon, the Sony logos, and the little icons on the inside. Then there are the 2.0 plates, which have changed the entire shape and design of the plates and added a vent on the side. These are more rounded but still lack the official details. And comparing them side by side, unless you want to change the shape of the plates or go for a custom colour that Sony doesn't do yet, I don't see any reason you would choose the dbrand ones over the official covers. The only thing that I have done that you might have noticed already is I've actually changed the centerpiece with a matte black vinyl. I did actually buy this from dbrand, and I think it looks so much nicer than the glossy finish. So along with the new plates that Sony released this month, we've also got the new controllers. We've got the Nova Pink and the Starlight Blue, which I did a video about last week. Then we've got the Galactic Purple, which arrived a day late, so I didn't get to show you it. But this is it, and this purple is definitely my favourite colour right now. I'm not sure if it's because it's giving me a Cadbury chocolate vibes, but I like this one a lot. So these three new colours join the Cosmic Red and the Midnight Black that we saw last year, and not forgetting the original white controller too. And here's the entire lineup that we've got now. I think this is a pretty strong collection of colours. I wonder if we'll get a dark blue or a green next. As for the other covers like the pink, the blue and the purple plates, we'll be getting those later this year. It is listed on the PlayStation website as the first half of 2022. Oh, and one more thing that I nearly forgot to mention. At the moment, these plates are only available for the disc version of the PS5. The digital PS5 plates will be available next month, so if you have got a digital version, you'll need to wait a little bit longer to get these. Now, the official plates cost £45 or $55 and are currently only available to purchase from the PlayStation's website. So that means from January the 21st until February the 17th, you'll need to head to the official website before they go on general sale on February the 18th. Okay, well that was a very quick look at the 2 new official plates for the PlayStation 5. Will you be picking up either of these 2 new colours or will you stick with a third-party plate instead? Well, you've just made it to the end of today's video, so thank you for watching. And if you drop a PS5 covers with a colour heart, depending on the plate that you would go for, I will give you a thumbs up for staying until the end. And here's another couple of videos you might be interested in watching next. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you don't miss my next upload. You can also follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.